Now mode can be calculated by graphic method also. By preparing a histogram, we can just calculate the mode from the graph. So our first step is to draw a histogram, and then from that histogram we just draw diagonally the lines which is having the maximum class. So that I'll show you practically how we draw that lines. Then we directly draw a perpendicular on the x-axis and we finally calculate the value of mode. Let us take one example. Now this is the practical question. Here you can say that if you calculate the model value, we can calculate with the help of direct method. And if we see the maximum frequency is 15. So we can just by inspection method, if I just ignore the grouping table requirements, I can say that mode lies from 9 to 17 class intervals. So if we look at simply at this question, so we can say that Z lies in 9 to 17 class interval. And if this is the case, this will be our F1, this will be F0 and this will be F2. And the value of Z will be lower limit plus delta 1. This formula that we have seen, we will apply here. And here lower limit will be 9. Delta 1 is F1 minus F0, that is 5. Divided by 5 plus 15 minus 13, that is 2. And the difference is I is 8 over here. So when we calculate it, it will be 9 plus 5.714. So ultimately our answer is 14.714. But if we want to solve this with the help of graphical method, we will also see the same type of answer we will get. First of all, this answer is 14.71 near about. Now let us see how we can solve this question with the help of a histogram graphic method. Now how we prepare the graph, we will calculate. X will be on the x-axis. So here I am taking the class intervals 1, 9. You need not take mid values. Directly put these points. So like this we will put the points on the x-axis till 41. So this is our x-axis. On the y-axis we can see this is the data. And maximum till 15 we have to go. So we can put it like that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and maximum 16. So now let us plot these points. First is when you are at 1. So you have to go from 1 to 9. This is our 1 to 9 slab. 1 to 9 we have to go till 10. So we will prepare a histogram like this till 10. Next is from 9 to 17, it is 15. It means we will be starting from here only, 9, and we will go till 15 and joining it like this histogram will be prepared. Next is 13 and this is between 17 and 25. So 13 will be here. So we will draw another box. Then is 8 is here. So like this we will complete our histogram. Now after preparing the histogram, you will see what is the maximum box, because what is the maximum frequency will be the highest box. Where is the peak? Now this corner, left corner will be joined with the next lowest frequency, just which is touching this maximum box. So we will draw a dotted line like this. Same we will do from the right hand side also. We will join like this. So you can give this point any name. For example, let us give this point name P, and you will draw a perpendicular right over here. When you will draw perpendicular, this you will see exact value at your graph, and you will see this will be the mode 14.71. So with the algebraic method also, the formula you will get the same answer, and with the graphic method you will also get the same answer. But algebraic method will give you more accurate solution, because here we could see the answer was 14.714. Here we can just estimate that it will be near about 14.7.